Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all.
Hello guys, it's me, Arodi Calderon, industrial engineer. Today I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak your iPhone device in iOS 13 to 13.5. So let's get started. First, we have to open Safari and search in Google for App Valley. Then you will click on the first link, as you can see on the screen. Click on the first option, install, and then you click on allow, and it's gonna say that we have to verify that profile. So we will go to the settings app that is on your home screen, scroll down to general, scroll down to profiles and device management, click on App Valley, then click on install, type your password. After that, click on next, and then you will click on install and then install. This will allow you to see your app on the home screen, as you can see on the screen. Now we have to open the app, scroll all the way down to the app we need. This is a safe app, so do not worry. Scroll down and look for Uncover iOS 13. Click on Get, install, and you will be able to see the app on your home screen. Wait for it to stop loading, and after that you will click on it, and it's going to say that that profile is not trusted. So do not worry, it's easy to fix it. We just go to settings on the profiles, and you will now see the second profile that's going to be. Click on trust, again click on trust, and now we will be able to open the app. Click on it, and as you can see, this is the app. In my case, I already jailbreak the device, and that is why it says re-jailbreak. But you gotta click on the blue button, wait for 3 seconds, and then click on OK. In my case, I will not click it because I already have my iPhone jailbreak. So your iPhone is gonna reboot, and then on the home screen you will have this app called Cydia. Cydia, it's the key to know that we were able to successfully jailbreak your iPhone. As you can see, the app works. It doesn't close by itself. It doesn't have any kind of bugs. If you want to know how to learn to use Cydia, you have to wait for my next video. This is how you jailbreak your iPhone device on iOS 13 to 13.5. One thing I have to say is that, remember, this is only available for iOS 13 to 13.5. Newer versions will not be able to be jailbreak. See you next time.